As you can see, more and more people want to join the flower circus. What do you think about this act? Should they join the flower circus? In the booth of Hendriks, we can see that artificial flowers are still a big thing. The whole assortment is here in all different kind of colors. But what we also see, less glassware, but more and more baskets, like this one. And combining materials as well. So the upper side is made out of rope. It is March, so that means one thing. We've got Mimosa as well. And friend of the show, Frédéric Dupré. You can see that this year the stands are getting bigger and more interesting. Look at this wholesaler, what they made. They put a real atmosphere over here. What's really nice to see is that the stands are getting bigger and more impressive as well. Because look at this, we're going higher, making a real atmosphere here as well. Just Chrys is here as well. And what we see more and more are these 3D printed vases. And this is a huge example. And it doesn't weigh anything. What's typical for Friends flower exhibitions is that there are a lot of designers showing their skills during the exhibition. And now the question on everybody's mind, why is this chicken so funny? Because we see tulips, so that means we have a Dutch exporter. Plas is here as well. The nice thing about Salon FlorEvent is that it's for florists a one-stop shop. Everything you need in your flower shop is over here. Like I said, everything is here for florists, including balloons in every shape and color, as long as it's pink, of course. And here we have the booth of the Flower Collective by Flower Circus. We've got Amelie and the famous Hurtaud, who's going to be on stage as well today, presenting beautiful flowers from Dutch growers. And some of them will even be at the fair, so you can ask them all the questions you have. Misostomaria is the new name for Tesla Ostomeria. And they have something special because you can order them also when they're open. So much better for events. Here I found the Astra Nova. It's an ostomeria, but a single flowered ostomeria. It almost looks a bit like a peony. And we've got the Lisianthus booth. The group of Lisianthus growers are promoting their beautiful flower. Today in the booth they have Benoit Barbin, and tomorrow they have Frédéric Dupré. Love for Lilies is here as well, showing all the different colors and shapes of this beautiful flower. And you know who's doing this? Olivier, say again. Hello. It doesn't get more colorful than this. Join the Gerbera Party. The promotion of the Dutch-grown Gerberas is here as well. This was the impression of Salon FlorEvent 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.